Hi guys, I'm Weldes Navarro, your Mitsubishi Sales Executive here at Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. For today's video, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung anong meron sa ating Expander Cross 2026. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Okay guys, ito po ang ating engine ng Expander Cross 2026, 1.5 liters, MyVet 4 inline, DOH 16 valve, gasoline Euro 4, 4A91. Ang front fascia naman po niya ay naka-gloss black finish and chrome dynamic shield. Naka-LED headlights and fog lamps. Naka 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels na po siya at may ground clearance po siya na 225mm. Naka-new color keyed side mirror with turn lamps and power fold features sa all variant ng ating Expander Cross 2026. Naka-new color keyed door handles sa all variant po siya. Ang kanyang seats naman ay naka-burgundy black synthetic leather seats with heat guard para ma-lessen po yung init once na nabilad po natin sa araw ang ating mga sasakyan. Naka 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel na po siya at may 8-inch LCD meter cluster, new design sa ating Expander Cross 2026. 10-inch smartphone link display audio or SDA. Dito rin natin nakikita ang ating multi-around monitor na bagong-bago sa ating Expander Cross 2026. Naka-manual digital type aircon na po siya na may max cool po. Purpose po niya para mas mapabilis po ang paglamig sa loob ng ating sasakyan. May charging port po tayo. Meron po tayong overdrive off button. Meron po tayong brake auto hold at electronic parking brake. Dito po sa second row, may nakikita po tayong charging port din po. At ang kanyang aircon na may black fin and knob. Center console with armrest. Dito po nilalagay ang tissue. And then kung may ilalagay din po kayo dito sa loob. And then meron din po tayo dito ang lagayan. Sa mga drinks niya po. Coffee. Yan po. Ang tawag po dito ay burgundy soft pad. And then kung may ilalagay din po kayo dito sa ilalim, another storage. So guys, nakita nyo na kung anong itsura at kung ano ang nasa loob ng ating Expander Cross 2026. Ang sunod ko naman ipapakita sa inyo ay kung ano-ano ang mga features nito. Sa likod naman po niya ay all second and third row pwedeng i-fold para magkaroon ng mas malawak na storage. Anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, emergency stop signal, active yaw control, Mitsubishi active stability control, hill start assist, multi-around monitor, and reverse camera. So yun na nga guys, nakita nyo na kung anong meron sa ating Expander Cross 2026. Kung may katanungan po kayo, i-message nyo lang po ako sa aking FB Messenger or pwede nyo po akong kontakin sa aking contact number na 0992-9258188 and please follow and like my YouTube channel. See ya!
I'm pretty sure that the new Expander and Expander Cross would simply earn the attention of many on the road.
Now it got updated and I really love the updates.
Galing, ganda.
Wow!
I want one.
Umangas, mas gumwapo.
That's expected.
Muscular now, it looks more like an SUV.
Very smooth, powerful.
grabe, parang car of the future na yung unahan niya.
Cruise ko, pinaangas talaga siya. They look very modern.
On both of these vehicles, it does look pretty menacing now.
This is the new Mitsubishi Expander and Expander Cross. Now, for those of you that don't know, the Mitsubishi Expander is the country's best-selling MPV.
Despite being an MPV, the Expander is easy to drive. The steering is light and it's very agile.
As a people mover, as a cargo loader, if you have to carry things from point to point, I feel like it's going to be doing it very comfortably and reliably.
A round view monitoring system that helps you navigate tight spaces. It truly helps when you have vision and more information.
So what I like about the car's 360-degree around view monitor is that the cameras are very high-res. So ang linaw ng camera resolution niya. So talagang no excuse to hit something in the Expander. Yeah, thus making it a very easy car to maneuver, especially when you're bringing it to very tight parking spots.
They've leveled up on it. They dialed up the styling, the aggressiveness, the sportiness, the dynamic aspect of it, and it's more so now.